Verizon and AT&T provide telecommunications, media and technology services. Both stocks are reliable dividend payers. However, I think Verizon is better, and here's why. AT&T has completed its Warner Media spin-off, and this is the first time the company reported its standalone financials. I think the Warner Media deal was overall good for AT&T because the company now will focus on its 5G wireless deployment. The company will also reduce its large debt, and this can also help the company to catch up with its competitors. So without Warner Media, there are 4 segments of AT&T's business: mobility, business wireline, consumer wireline, and Latin America. Both companies have seen income shrink in their business segment due to decline in legacy solutions and competition from US cable. Both companies are targeting new verticals, and both have partnered with cloud platforms. Revenue from the core segment is slowly growing. Verizon's first quarter of 2022 report was mixed. Service and other revenue was down 2.5% as the revenue lost from Verizon Media Group more than offset incremental revenue from TracFone. Excluding the impact of sale of Verizon Media, service and other revenue was up 4.2% from first quarter of 2021. Verizon's wireless service shows strong growth, up 9.5% year-over-year. Verizon is ahead in deploying C-band spectrum. The company improved its capacity faster than AT&T, and AT&T's C-band deployment is slower, so Verizon has an advantage over AT&T. Both companies have about the same dividend yield, about the same cash flow payout ratio, but Verizon has higher net profit margin, higher return on equity and return on assets. Also, Verizon has higher revenue per employee, higher net income per employee, and higher return on capital. Both companies' revenue is forecast to grow at a very slow rate, but Verizon's earnings are forecast to grow slightly bit faster than AT&T's earnings. Both companies have large debts. Both companies are highly leveraged, and raising the key rate is certainly an important risk. After the Warner Media deal, AT&T has $38.5 billion in cash, which will partly reduce the debt, but both companies are still highly leveraged. If we look at the price ratios, it seems like AT&T is cheaper, but considering that Verizon is doing better overall, both companies are fairly priced. That's all, thank you for listening.